My name is Shaun Simmons, and I'm the dirt car parts salesman for Karl Kustoms. I've just been into racing my whole life. I've been selling parts for years, auto parts, race car parts. Back about '97, I started racing dirt modifieds. I raced for about 2 or 3 years, and then I ended up having my son. So I stopped racing for a little bit, and then when he got older, we started racing quarter midgets and micro sprints, and then we got into the dirt modifieds. Found out about Karl's back when we raced here for Super Nationals. We bought several engines for our dirt modified, and 20 years later, here I am. Throughout the years of buying parts and dealing with different vendors, I got to the point where customer service meant more to me than anything. It's always nice when you go and you buy something from somebody and they leave that impression that they really care about your program and they want to make you succeed. That's my goal, is to help as many people as I can and make them succeed in the racing community. Thus, it reflects back on us, and everybody knows that Karl Kustoms is the place to go. My goal at Karl Kustoms is to provide quality parts and quality customer service to the racing community.